This is Sukarna. Welcome to eTimes TV. How
Hi,
are you doing?
thank you. I'm doing great today. I have an off. I'm spending some time with my mom, so it's good. Good start.
You started your journey in TV in 2010. I think you have completed a decade in the industry. Uh,
Yeah.
how has the journey been for you?
So actually, I started my career in 2008. I got my first project in 2010 because 2008 I was doing one show which didn't happen. Unfortunately, it just got wrapped up after shoot. So I believe that I would I would say that it was Mahi Rehu जिसके साथ मैंने debut किया. So it was beautiful. It was beautiful. This Mumbai, has accepted me with her open arms. And when Mahidi happened, that time Facebook wasn't like was a storm, and I made account, and people are following me and all the stuff. I thought I'm a star. I got into that space where you feel like, oh, I'm a star now. I have, next time I'm gonna go, and जो भी मुझे काम आएगा, I'll just choose and go. That happened with me in my first show. I thought that I become a star, but Shah Rukh Khan has said one thing in the movie that फर्स्ट जो काम होता है वो आपको चुनता है, और वो चुनने के बाद आप जब सारे काम सुनकर आप दूसरी चीजें चुनते हो, वो आपका करियर बनाता है. आपका पहली जो आपकी डेस्टिनी है वो फर्स्ट शो में आपको चुनती है. बाकी के काम आप कौन से चुनोगे फिर वो आपकी डेस्टिनी डिसाइड करती है. सो दैट वाज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग कि उसके बाद एक्चुअली मेरा स्ट्रगल हुआ. आफ्टर माही वे आई डिडंट हैव वर्क फॉर 1 year, एंड द काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रगल आई डिड, I had my own ups and downs, and that's how I got, there was so much financial problems that I went through. So the journey was like a roller coaster. The journey has a lot of potholes and everything, but it was beautiful. And that's what I am. If some newcomer comes, and if they come in my show, I understand, I feel every bit of it because I've gone through with that struggle. That journey was amazing. I think वो जर्नी होनी बहुत जरूरी थी, बिकॉज वो सारी चीजों से गुजर के जब आप एक जगह पे पहुंचते हो तो आप उन सब चीजों को साथ में लेके चलते हो, एंड that's how you keep your feet always on on you keep your foot down. Otherwise थोड़ा चढ़ जाती है ये जो जितनी भी फेज होते हैं, फेम होता है, सब सर पे चढ़ जाता है. that's how मुझे ऐसा लगता है those struggles keeps down to your.
If you can tell us more about your struggle period and how did you overcome it?
So I would say struggle हर किसी की जिंदगी में होता है. Everybody come up with all their struggles. Everybody has their own story. Everybody has their own way of coming out of it. I feel that I was surrounded with very supporting friends. I think few of them are not in touch with me right now, but I know they are there. Every phase of your life you have friends. Some can go, some can come up. कोई आता है, कोई चला जाता है. But I believe that वो जितने भी struggles रहे हैं, उसमें मेरे दोस्तों ने बहुत अच्छा support किया है, and they've always been there with me through my ups and downs. कभी कभी फाइनेंशियल इतना हो जाता था that I didn't have anything. I didn't have fridge, I didn't have any stove, खाना नहीं बन पाता था, तो I used to have black coffee, पी के. ऐसे छोटे छोटे बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स हैं. मुझे एक शो में बुली भी काफी किया गया था, but I overcome with that because again my friends literally stood by me and they said it's okay, it happens in your industry. And my friends was not from this industry, so but they knew about it, they knew how it is. And एक शो बंद होने के बाद 6-6 महीना, 7-7 महीना, 1-1 साल घर बैठना, फिर वो सेविंग्स के साथ घर चलाना, it was difficult, but it was not impossible. And somewhere I'm a firm believer of Ganpati, and I think that he saved me. He saved me in every aspect of my life. So the journey was beautiful, the journey was difficult, the journey was amazing at the same time. And that's how right now, एक टाइम था जब मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था, और आज एक टाइम है जहाँ आप जो भी बोलो वो मेरे पास है. और इन सब चीजों को इकट्ठा करने में, वो गृहस्थी बनाने में मुझे 12 साल लग गए. So I am really touched, and I'm very proud of myself that I'm really taking care of myself and my parents very beautifully, and all thanks to my Ganpati and all thanks to all the mighty and universe who are actually being with me and supporting me in every way of life.
As you mentioned in between that एक show में भी bully हुए थे आप.
That was very initial stage. So that time I didn't have anything at home. Like I didn't have stove, I didn't have fridge, and I was very, very new. I didn't know how this shooting schedule worked. I didn't know that it was a 12-hour shift. I was unaware of all the technicality of the show. And I used to, so in break, in my break, everybody used to laugh at me because I used to, मैं अपना पूरा खाना जो होता था बहुत ज़्यादा भर, because nobody knew कि घर जाके मुझे खाने को नहीं मिलने वाला है. So जो भी खाना मुझे सेट पे मिलता था, I used to eat इतना सारा कि मुझे रात को भूख ना लगे. So ऐसे जगह पे भी मुझे थोड़ा बुली किया जाता था कि how much you eat, you know, you should not eat, you're becoming fat and you won't be, you know, you won't be able to pursue your career like this. You have to be thin for this. बहुत mature लगने लगती हो, and all sort of stuff. ऐसा बहुत आया था that you can't eat that much. How can you eat so much? You become fat, and how will you be able to pursue your career and all stuff? And I used to cry because I didn't tell anybody that when I go back home, I can't eat because I don't have anything to eat. So this happened, and those stories थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगता था because हम लोग बहुत judgmental हो जाते. If somebody is doing something now, we become very judgmental. Oh ये ऐसा क्यों ऐसा? You don't know the backstory. So I think we should be kind enough to people, and we should always support somebody who really feel that if somebody is doing something, whatever it is, and that thing is making the other person happy, we should support them. I know sometimes we do such things which is wrong. Maybe if you're diabetic and if you're not allowing, if you're not allowed to eat any meat, but if you are having an ittusa, but that makes you happy, I think chalta hai yaar, then we can thoda sa. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा, you should be kind enough to people. We really the kind of environment we are right now. People are struggling so many things in so many ways. There are a lot of anxiety, there are a lot of depression, there are a lot of disappointments happening. People have become judgmental. People are start believing in others' validations, which I feel that it's not necessary. You know who you are. आपको आपसे अच्छा कोई नहीं जान सकता. So ये सब चीजों को देखने के बाद मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि let's not judge anybody. So that happened with me once, but that's a long, long, long time. And उसके बाद तो बस मुझे प्यार ही मिला है. People just loved me the way I am. So I'm happy.
Also, this perception of looking thin or being thin for on-screen appearance, how prevalent is in the industry?
This is very unfortunate. I believe that I don't know why they come up with this idea that being thin and being fair, looks, that's the definition of prettiness. I just don't believe in this. I literally don't believe in this. But that's the sad reality of our society that, उन्होंने एक beauty को एक sentence में बस बोल दिया कि if you are tall, if you are fair, if you are thin, then you are beautiful. I don't believe in this kind of stuff. People are beautiful from inside. They have to be beautiful in such a way that it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how you look. You should be really good in person. And unfortunately, मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे मेरे colleagues हैं जिनको ये बोलते हुए सुना है कि because we are dark, we are not even allowing to enter the audition hall. Because वहीं से वो लोग बोल देते कि you don't fit for the bill. I don't understand if the person like look at Nawazuddin Siddiqui, look at Irfan Khan, they are not fair people. But they are brilliant in their craft. How can you judge somebody with their outer, beauty, you can say? So yeah, I mean, I think it's changing now. People are becoming more educating. People are becoming more practical. Now they are come up with all these kind of stuff. Ki nahi, अभी ऐसा नहीं है. अभी तो बहुत सारे ऐसे शोज हैं जो इन सब चीजों में बनते हैं, बट मुझे बस एक चीज अपने सास बहू से जो हमारे डेली सोप होते हैं उससे बस एक ये शिकायत है. कीप वंडरिंग, वी आर इन 2021 and still we are showing a bechari bahu. Why can't a woman can be a multitasker? Why can't a woman can be, which is, मुझे ऐसा लगता है half of the लड़कियों की यही कहानी होगी कि वो अपने घर को छोड़कर एक दूसरे शहर में आती हैं, काम करती हैं, स्ट्रगल करती हैं, and one day she becomes what she want to be. Why can't we show that aspect of life? Why can't we show the women as a much stronger person rather than being बिचारी, रोती रहती है, but ये भी आप देखो कि रोने के बावजूद भी she is the one who sort out with all the problems in the house. Like she can, she can do, she's a superwoman. दूसरे लोगों को वो बात समझ आएगी कि नहीं आएगी, लेकिन उसको वो बात समझ आएगी. So that's I want to understand, and I want to convince that please show a woman as a powerful person, not like bichari. But then I get answers from so many people that most of the daily soaps are there in urban areas. बहुत छोटे छोटे शहरों में दिखाया जाता है, जहाँ पे जो औरतें हैं वो अपने आप को कनेक्ट कर लेती हैं कि ओ मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था, मैंने भी ऐसे ही कुछ किया था. That is why our show works. पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि now we are in 2021, we should show women as a as a superpower, like she is the most wonderful creature that happened on earth. तो वो क्यों नहीं दिखाते हैं? So ये जो beauty, ये जो fairness, ये सब है ना, ये मुझे ऐसा लगता है when this will get over, when I believe, I wish that things will get better. It is getting better, but I just hope कि उसका moving cycle थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाए.
मोनिका, अपने पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में दिल्ली से हूँ, ग्रेजुएशन के लिए है. 2008 में मुंबई आ गई थी. I have one beautiful sister. She's blessed with 2 kids. My parents. I'm single, not married yet. And बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे अपने आप से वक्त गुजारना, मेडिटेट करना, अच्छे दोस्तों से बातें करना. बहुत बातें करती हूँ अगर सही इंसान मिले मेरे साथ. I love to discuss spirituality a lot. अच्छे गाने सुनना बहुत पसंद है. So basically मुझे अपने आप के साथ वक्त गुजारना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अपने आप को जानने का सबसे अच्छा मंत्र यही होता है that you have to spend a lot of time with yourself. So yeah, I'm a professionalized salsa dancer. I love to dance, and dance is my, you can say, like, it's my life. I can never ever stop dancing, and I really want to pursue in dancing career also. I keep on making some videos or the other, and I'm a Bollywood freak. So I love to बचपन से ऐसी Bollywood पिक्चरें देखती आई हूँ, तो थोड़ा वहीं से है.
Are you open to love or have closed the door on purpose?
No, I'm open for love for sure. But आजकल नहीं हो पाता है. Like, I don't know what era are we living in. So it's difficult. I find it difficult to find love. Connecting is not happening. Time ही नहीं मिल पाता है. Shoot से घर, घर से shoot. We don't go out. We don't have that much of time to even go out and meet, anybody. So connection is also a big problem. Yeah.
And at what age did you start your career?
So I started my career in 2000, and because I was doing my college and I was doing my dancing classes simultaneously. So इस industry में तो नहीं, but entertainment industry में कदम तो रख लिया था in 2005. उसके बाद 2008 I came to Bombay, like professional way. But 2005, 2006, 2007 I was just roaming. I was learning my dancing stuff, and I was doing all the events and everything who are based in salsa. So yeah, 2005.
And acting start at the time, did you face any opposition from your family, or were they open to the idea of you becoming an actor?
So my parents were unaware about it. when I told them that I want to go to Mumbai and I'm going to stay there because I got one show, which I told you never happened, which got scrapped. My mom was a bit skeptical, but my dad was very supportive. He said, okay, if you want to go and you want to, if you think that you can do it, if you believe in yourself, we are with you, just go. But make sure that, you just can't sit there. You just can't go and, sit there. You have to work. And अब तुम्हारी जिंदगी शुरू होगी. Till the time we were there with you, you were having your life, but now the actual life will start off, will kick in your life. So my parents were quite supportive. They still are. Like, they really want me to get married, but obviously they're very supportive that they don't say anything to me. They said, take your time, whenever you are ready, whenever you meet your right one, just tell us. So no pressure from my parents' side. But yes, they always being a supportive pillar to me. And because of that, I have come up this far. Otherwise, it was never possible for me to even stay here for a month also.
Okay, Monica, it was a lovely chat with you. Thank you so much for your time. It was very interesting conversation.
Thank you.